Areca Palm is one of the most popular indoor plants, and here in this video we are going to take a look at an easy way to propagate Areca Palm. First method is propagating from seeds, and this is how the Areca Palm seeds look like. Second method is propagating by dividing, which is quite easy. Here we are going to take a look at the second method. At the end of the video you are also going to see the updates. Here is an Areca Palm that I have collected from nursery. So let's start the propagation process. Though the process is simple, please be careful and gentle. If you are doing for the first time, take your time and divide them as carefully as you can. So here you can see they got divided nicely. Next we need to plant them. For the pot, selected this 10-inch wider pot, but we can also use smaller pot like 6 to 8 inch as Areca Palm doesn't grow fast. For potting soil mix, doing it this way: 50% normal garden soil, 25% sand and rest 25% vermicompost. While planting them, please avoid burying the canes and keep the soil line till here. If we bury them, they may rot within few days. After repotting, water thoroughly and then keep the pot only under indirect sunlight. Areca Palm also prefer bright indirect sunlight, and leaves may turn yellow if we keep under too much direct sunlight. Let's take a look at the updates. This is an update just after 5 days, and here are the two pots. Feel free to cut the dried leaves if there is any. This is an update after 17 days. As you can see, my plant is already starting to produce new foliage. So we can say that propagation is 100% success. For better result, propagate either in spring or in summer. Like Areca Palm, Dieffenbachia is another low maintenance plant that is usually grown as an indoor plant. Few days back, I have already shared a new method to propagate Dieffenbachia plant. In case you are interested in knowing more, please check out my next video. So that's an easy method to propagate Areca Palm. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening a bit. Thank you so much for watching. Truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.